Let's go to Jangchungdan today. It is close to Dongdaemun and there are many famous restaurants. It takes a short walk, but you can walk from Dongguk University Station to Jangchungdan Park. Departed from exit 5 of Dongdaemun History and Culture Park Station. If you walk in the opposite direction, you'll see the intersection. Turn right at the crossroads. You can cross over to the 5th floor building with the advertising video on the opposite rooftop. The gold building on the right is Hotel the Designers Dongdaemun. Let's cross the street and head for the gold building. This low building feels like an old factory. If you see a gold building, turn left. Cars are coming out, so be careful. On the left is the old building. This place feels like a residential area in Seoul. This is Jangchungdan. You can tell right away by the sign of Jangchungdan on the floor. There are a lot of restaurants here. Each store has a logo of Jangchungdan side by side under the tent. It's quiet today, maybe because it's daytime on weekdays. It's a one-way street, so be careful of cars coming from behind when walking in this direction. I like the feeling of the next alley, the old residential neighborhood in Seoul. Jina's tteokbokki, a famous restaurant on TV. There are some restaurants on this side street, too. They are Japanese tourists. They must be interested in a fish tank at a sashimi restaurant. Across the road is the famous Jangchungdan Pig's Trotter Alley. Across the Pig's Trotter Alley, you can see Winter Ningmyeon in Hamhyang, a restaurant with a rather unusual name. If you walk a little further past the Ningmyeon restaurant, it's the end of the day. The white building on the right is Taegeukdang, a famous Nopo bakery. Monaca and sticky rice cake are delicious. When you get exit 2 of Dongguk University Station, it's over. Hotel Shilla across the street. Jangchungdan Park is below the hotel. Jangchung Gymnasium, Old Korea's indoor stadium. Today's walk is over.